Samsung is not joking around this time, guys, and I have some very exciting news for you. Samsung has made it official that 200 megapixel camera is going to happen in their new trailer, which means we will soon be seeing the beefy 200 megapixel beast of a camera in Samsung smartphones. There are also rumors going around about the S21 FE, only the most awaited phone from the Galaxy S21 series. But the star of the show today is the Samsung A series, and Samsung is telling the world they are bringing their A game this time with the latest Galaxy A series phones. Since the launch, the Samsung's A series has become only the most popular and liked phones of this generation, and Samsung has decided to put some serious effort in upgrading the upcoming smartphones. The A series has been the greatest selling devices ever by Samsung. The new upcoming Galaxy A73 will no longer be a mid-ranger. According to news coming from South Korea, Samsung could bring for the first time a 108 mega sensor with optical image stabilization on its Galaxy A73. This will be a huge camera upgrade, probably the biggest camera upgrade ever for the Galaxy A series. The details of the sensor that will be used is still classified, but soon we will have them as well and share with you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you will know when a video comes out. So, if the information that we do have right now is correct, the sensor could be the same as we saw on the Galaxy S21, but chances are they will use the one that we saw on the S20 Ultra, which is not bad at all for a mid-range smartphone. And most likely, Galaxy A53. What about the lower-end Galaxy A series models? Well, according to the information coming from Galaxy Club Samsung, it could bring a brand new Galaxy A13 5G, which reportedly has a 50 megapixel camera sensor. Now, this phone is said to be Samsung's cheapest 5G phone of all time. This new 50 megapixel sensor for these mid-range phones could be the recently announced ISOCELL JN1 sensor. But the even bigger news is that Samsung is planning to partner up with the team Red. Yes, they are planning to use AMD GPUs to take your gaming and media quality to the next level. Now, for those of you who don't know, the addition of AMD GPU will massively increase the media and gaming performance of the phone and improve camera processing and speeds. The design of the upcoming A series smartphones will pretty much be the same because everyone loved the polycarbonate design. It is lighter and cheaper to manufacture, which is good for Samsung and consumers as well. We do not know anything about the screen and the panel they will be using, but as always, Samsung will nail the quality of the display, and given the advantage of the new GPU, if it makes it to final production, you might want to hold off on upgrading your phone and wait for the upcoming Galaxy A series smartphones. That being said, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any news or any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.